In our last vlog, we went on a boat trip through beautiful Ha Long Bay. In this episode, we will rent a motorbike for a day trip through Ninh Binh, also referred to as Ha Long Bay on land.
Quick pit stop at the gas station. We filled up the tank 3/4 of the way for 50,000 dong, and that should last us for the day. When you guys come to Ninh Binh as well and you want to visit Hang Mua viewpoint, you really want to avoid the parking scammers. There's people on the road to the actual entrance of Hang Mua viewpoint that will try to stop you with your scooter. They will try to stand in front of you, not let you pass. And even right in front of the entrance gate, there's still people that seem official that tell you can park your scooter here, but they're actually not. You have to drive through the actual gate. There you can park your scooter officially. You will still have to pay 10,000 dong parking fee, but at least it's official and you have not been scammed and you parked as close as you can get to where you have to start walking. Hey, thanks.
And we're in. Oh, I think we didn't even mention where we are right now. We're at the Hang Mua viewpoint here in Ninh Binh. It's the most famous viewpoint in this town. You get epic views over the landscape, but you also have to climb around 500 steps, and it's pretty steep and exhausting. So you won't hear us talking for the next minute or so.
On your way up, you're gonna come across a fork on the way. And if you turn right, you'll get to this viewpoint. But if you turn left, you can walk up even further. So I'm hoping that's gonna be an even better view over the landscape up there where we are going, turning left at the fork. Oh, so many steps.
We reached the top, it was not too hard, and up here we have a 360 view of this awesome landscape of Ninh Binh, and there's just so much to do here in this small village. I mean, yesterday we were still on a small boat down at this river, and today we're climbing a high mountain and having an awesome view, and who knows what else there is to do. Let's climb down the mountain again, get on the scooter and explore.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions.
We just rode the scooter along the river for a while, and in Trang An we turned left into some mysterious dirt road to come to the shore of the river, and we already spotted some boats, because here in Trang An you can actually do a boat tour as well. and we did ours in Tam Kok, and the main difference is that here in Trang Ang you also ride the boat through some caves and into some caves. So if you've never seen any caves from the inside, you might consider doing your boat tour here. And I think it's a little bit more expensive, around 250k per person. But yeah, I think it's worth it if you've never seen caves from the inside, which we have, so we opted for the Tam Kok version. But yeah, decide for yourself.
A bench, 2 coconuts, and this spot here would be perfect. I could spend hours here. But there's no bench, so...
And no coconuts?
Yeah, and no coconut. So let's go and find a coconut or a Vietnamese coconut coffee. Have you ever tried that, guys? It's delicious. Let's go and get one. Wieso ist das zu, Flo? Ist das abgeschlossen?
I swear it was open when we came here, otherwise we wouldn't have gone in. Okay, so what a Vietnamese coconut coffee actually is a bunch of shredded frozen coconuts, so basically a huge pile of coconut ice cream, and then they pour condensed milk and a cold coffee, or in my case a cold cacao over it, because I can't handle too much caffeine. Super delicious, super sweet and very cold. Perfect.
For sunset we came to Bish Dong Pagoda, a Buddhist temple with this really old and beautiful entrance gate, which is almost built into the limestone mountain. A really cool photo spot. There's also 3 natural caves around this temple area, but we were a bit too late. The monk decided to close the temple the minute we arrived, so we couldn't really see anything. So instead of exploring this temple here, we rather go and get some delicious dinner.
Before leaving Ninh Binh tomorrow, we quickly want to recommend you a restaurant that we've been eating at for the past 4 days every single night. It's super delicious, the owner is so nice, the prices are awesome, and we're going to show you what we're having for dinner tonight, which is probably going to be the same that we had yesterday and 3 days ago, because it's the best, it's so good. We also wanted to say that we really like Vietnam so far. The people are friendly, prices are good, the hotels are nice, transport is easy, overall the vibe is really cool, and we can recommend you come here as well if you have a plan to and are unsure.